Okay, so now we are into module 2, and this is where the research and preparation of your products will get happening. This first video here is brainstorming techniques, and we're going to talk about some different ways that you can find ideas for your products, because you might want to create an ebook or a video course and you might just not know what niche you should be creating it about. And with my experience in working with thousands and thousands of students, it really always 100% of the time comes down to 3 main things. The first one is going to be your job. And what is your job? And can your skills of your job be implemented into an ebook or a video course that people would like to buy? For example, I have a friend of mine who is a locksmith, and he came to me and he's old school. He's in his late 50s and he really wanted to make money online, and he's asking me, so how do I make money online? So I said, you're a locksmith. So he ended up creating a video course about how to unlock your car and your house without having to call out a professional like him and pay a professional $100, $200 to come out and rekey your house. So he created a video series about how to pick locks and the best way to professionally pick locks and how to unlock your car without having to call a professional. So take a look at your job, see what your job is, and see if it's a skill that people would actually like to pay for to know that skill. Next up is going to be your passion or your hobby. What do you like to do? And this is usually where people find ideas for products. So they turn to their passion and their hobby. So what it is that you like to do? Do you like to play video games? Do you design websites? Do you love to cook? Do you like to program or code software? What is it that you really enjoy investing your time in? I'm pretty sure if you spend some time in that, you know a lot about it, and most likely a lot of people would like to know a lot about it as well. So you can turn it into a video course or an ebook. And last but not least, what do you know? What are you good at? It might not be a passion or a hobby. Just what are you knowledgeable about? Do you have know a lot about cars? Changing tires, changing the oil? Do you know how to optimize websites? Do you know a lot about A/B split testing or how to convert visitors into customers? Do you know how to build things with wood? My stepfather, on the other hand, he's really good at taking scrap wood and building things like benches. He built a birdhouse for my mother and things like that. He hasn't turned that into an information product, but he definitely could if he wanted to, because he's really handy with tools and he knows a lot about that. And that relates to your passion and hobby, but sometimes you don't even realize that you know a lot about a certain subject. It's not really your passion or your hobby, but that knowledge could definitely be turned into an information product. So sit back for a second, think about your job, your passion, your hobby. What is it that you like to do? And then just think about what it is that you know a lot about. Maybe it's different life experiences. Whatever it could be, just think about all that knowledge you have and what people would like to learn. In the next few videos, I'm going to talk about how to research your idea to make sure that there are customers out there, to make sure that you can actually get money if you're going to be going through this idea and creating your information product. All right, I'll see you there.